Hello all, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta, Assistant Professor at School of Business, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. I am the coordinator of the course Executive Strategic HR Analytics program.
I am Dr. Abraham Cyril Isaac. I am an Assistant Professor at the School of Business, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. I will be one of the co-coordinators and facilitators for this program, that is ESHAP, Executive Strategic HR and Human Analytics program. Once a king made a proclamation, I will reward the person who can make a surface the most beautiful surface. Many people came there to address this particular issue. Then came two specific requests, one from the part of the China and another from Greece. So these two sets of people came there, and the Chinese were more interested in adding layers, more bright colors, more of layers into that particular wall. Meanwhile, the Greek, they had a different plan altogether. They started rubbing, they started polishing, they started making it a mirror, turning it into a mirror finish. So when you look into the beauty of a surface, it's not only the colors, it's not only the layers that you add, it's also the inner beauty, the mirror finish that you can achieve. Now coming to a contemporary parallel of this particular example, a CEO joined a big multinational corporation. He looked into the balance sheet. He understood that nothing was working for the organization. So he understood that it was not the technological development, it was not the market penetration that mattered, but the human resource he had entrusted with the responsibility to take the organization which was not functioning. They did not have the capability, they did not have the ability. So he looked into the situation and he understood to bring out a lot of analytical capabilities. So that could enhance them, that could equip them to make more evidence-based decision making and be more strategic at HR. To develop the strategic HR capabilities and the analytical skills for human resource management, School of Business, IIT Guwahati is coming up with the ESHAP program, that is Executive Strategic HR and Analytics program, ESHAP. So in this program, we'll look into a holistic understanding of human resource management analytics. To begin with, in the first module, we'll look into the core concepts. We'll understand what human resource management is. We'll have a cursory understanding of all the different verticals, right from recruitment, training, performance management, compensation management. So we'll look into all sorts of verticals, including learning and development, and we'll try to give you a comprehensive idea about what human resource management is all about.
One of the major problems that we observe in the organizations today is that HR functions in the organizations are mostly kept in the isolation. And it is important for us to realize that HR is not an isolated function, it also plays a critical role in the formation of organizational strategy. And that is why this course goes beyond the traditional HR learning and also equip you with the foundations of strategic management and how the HR learnings will help you become a strategic partner for the organizations. You will also learn the concepts which are mostly associated with the strategic business partnership like merger and acquisitions, downsizing and restructuring, and how they are going to help the HR people to become the HR business partner for the organizations.
Human resource is always a critical resource. Now, when you talk about human resource, it is more of a strategic tool. And in module 3, we'll understand human resource as a strategic tool. We'll understand HR manager as a business partner. We'll look into the issues. We'll look into the issues of downsizing. We'll look into the issues of human beings coming together, working in a single platform. We'll also look into all sorts of analytical issues that can come in a larger sized organization. So in module 3, we categorically look into HR as a strategic tool. In module 4, we'll actually enter into human resource analytics, HR analytics. We'll start with the introduction to HR analytics. We'll look into the strategic focus in HR analytics. I generally tell this to my students when we compare two terms, strategy and tactics. Strategy is always long term. So for HR analytics, it is always strategic. Strategic focus in HR analytics will be the second part of module 4. We'll then look into the theory. the theories and framework behind HR analytics that actually make it a useful tool for everyday analysis of the human performance, and will finally look into the ethical consideration. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it ugly? How we handle the data? How we handle the human data? We'll look into all the possible combinations of ethical considerations in the human resource management domain.
After covering all the theoretical aspects of the course, then we will be moving towards the analytics part of the course. In the HR analytics part, there are major 4 components of the course. The first part is the descriptive analytics. In the descriptive HR analytics, you will be understanding the key HR matrices, which will help you understand the key performance indicators of the organizations, especially related to the human resource management functions. After covering the descriptive HR analytics, the second part is the diagnostic HR analytics. In the diagnostic HR analytics, you will understand the problems which are present in the organizations using the qualitative and quantitative approaches. The third component is the predictive HR analytics, where you will understand to predict the HR related data, and in the last component covers the prescriptive data analytics, where you will understand various software and tools that are used to represent the HR related data, where you will learn softwares like powerbi, Tableau, Visor and advanced Excel as well. And this course is made in such a comprehensive manner that you will understand all the key functions of human resource management, beginning from the people to strategy to analytics. And this is a very comprehensive 6 months online course, certification course, that will cover around 100+ hours of online learning. And also there is an option of campus immersion at the end of the course, where you will be coming to the campus of IIT Guwahati, exploring and also meeting with your peer learners, and you will also explore the beauty of IIT Guwahati, and then you can also have a beautiful interaction with your peers, and also you will be having the networking opportunities as well. This is a 100 hours on comprehensive HR analytics course, and the overall course fees is set for 75,000 rupees for all the components and for all the 6 months program. So we look forward for you to join this HR analytics certification program and gain handful of experience, and also interact with your peer learners and gain a comprehensive understanding of people, process and strategy, and also analytics in the human resource management functions. And this will also not help you become a successful HR person, but also become a human resource business partner for the organizations.